Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. Today I'll be working on the LML Duramax. That's my task for today. Power steering pump, hydro boost, power steering lines. After 320,000 miles, they need replacement. Can't really complain. So spending $1,000 on it, I don't have no payments. I don't see why I won't spend $1,000 to fix my truck. I don't have to make a payment every month for $1,000. So the best truck is the one that's paid for. I'll be showing you guys what I'll be doing. And that's what $1,000 looks like. And that's doing the job myself on my old trusty truck. And since we don't have no payments, she get all the goodies. As you guys can see, she's been dripping for a little bit. It's gotten really bad, so that's why I decided to do it now. Yeah, everything is soaked down here, so I'm gonna have to wash her, clean her really good in the bottom. Show you guys the interior right quick. I had to buy the only thing I had to replace in this interior was this panel, and I had to get it from GM, $700. Talk about fucking us over. But besides that, everything is good. Main seat, 320,000 miles. It has all the technology I had one. None of that computer bullshit. I did have to replace the dash on this truck. Another $1,000. But besides that, it's a good truck. There you go. 321,036. Well, 61, sorry. Let me crank her up for you.